welcome to Morpholio Board. In this video, we'll cover how to use Board's Pinterest portal. We'll look at how to connect to Pinterest, adding pins to your board, and how to pin images from Board back to Pinterest, and lots more. Let's get started. You guys may or may not know that we have a very special relationship with Pinterest. They've been great friends to us over the years and have allowed us to put our very own Pinterest portal inside Board. So if you look over here on your discovery toolbar, there's the P for Pinterest. You're gonna open that up. If you see this, you are not logged in. You're gonna wanna hit connect. It's gonna ask if Pinterest can authorize, if Morpholio can authorize Pinterest and vice versa. And you're gonna wanna give permissions. If you do not see this screen, it means that you may not be already logged into Pinterest on your iPad or iPhone. So it will ask you to go ahead and log in. I am logged in, so all I have to do is grant access. Now that I've done that, you can see my Pinterest boards all popping up. This is the name of all the different boards here. We don't support sections. So you're just gonna see your boards as they show up in a grid. And if you have more than one account, you can sign in and out of different accounts and you'll see the different credentials up at the top. So here we're gonna dive into this particular board, and we're gonna take something from our board and we're gonna drop it right into, take something from our Pinterest and drop it right into our board. I'm going to take out the background, make that fit. And there we have it. Pinterest into board. And that item, if you look in your list, will keep its link. So you always know where to go back and find it. If you're in a board and maybe you have an item that you discovered because it's part of Board's product library, and you may want to keep that for a future project, you can take that item, swipe it into Pinterest. And there now you have that as part of that Pinterest library. If you are working in Pinterest, loading things up, and then you open Board and you're ready to use those pins, and you ever feel like maybe you're not seeing something you just loaded, there's a refresh button that allows you to make sure that your Pinterest is fully up to date. It should pop right up. I just want to note that one of the most special things about boards, because it's so important for designers to sometimes keep their collections private, maybe you're working for a client and the board is confidential, or maybe you just don't want everyone to see something that you're composing. Secret boards in Pinterest we feel are really, important tool for designers. And so we were able to work with Pinterest to allow Morpholio to access those secret boards. Now, we can't see anything in your secret boards, but you will have access to them in Pinterest, in Morpholio. So there you go. You can keep your clients' stuff safe and also still have it at your fingertips when you're working hard for them. So that's Pinterest in Morpholio. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.